I'm George. Welcome to my event. Now I'm in Frankfurt, Germany. I come here because there's some Chinese new brand like NIO and also the traditional brand like BYD. They all have their dealer shop in Frankfurt and very nearby. So we come here to see how their dealer shop, how their car inside, and how their service, and how local people feel about these Chinese new cars.
We have here on the left, this is a popular model, it's our BYD Dolphin. It's the smallest model we offer.
Yeah.
It has a very competitive price. In Germany, people not necessarily buying cars, but they're leasing cars. So we are always keen on having a very good leasing rate for the Dolphin.
Yes. How about the SUV?
The CLU is the latest model we launched, and there are a lot of requests for the CLU.
Yeah.
Because it's a good format. It's a bit smaller,
Yes.
yeah, but it's very roomy. Very spacious.
Yes, yes.
Yeah? And this is something people are looking for. On the one hand, they require space. Yeah? When you have a family, you want to put your Kinderwagen in the back, you know, you have luggage, but you don't want to have a super big car. So the CLU hits a lot of needs, yeah? Space, but also compactness and comfort. Yeah? So this is a car that certainly will sell very well in Germany.
So how about the sedan?
The Han, we started with the Han in Europe. They have still a bit different design, you know. The Han and the Tang are the dynasty design.
Yes.
Yeah, and the new ones like the Seal and the CLU with the ocean aesthetics design.
Yes.
This is really the E segment. Yeah, they are also higher priced, 69,000. This is something certainly not a segment where you sell volumes. Compared to the Atto 3, that's the volume car. The nice thing with the vehicle to load, which people like, you know, you can plug in your hi-fi system.
Okay.
You can plug in your grill or your fridge, you know, so wherever you are on a retreat. But the Atto 3 certainly also is the car that people will see on the roads the most. Yeah. We made a big deal with Sixt for the car rental. We sold 100,000 cars to Sixt. Certainly that was why the Atto 3 was the first one to spread on the roads.
Oh, okay.
If you go with a rental company and you will be offered an upgrade, an alternative, and you will get a BYD Atto 3, you will feel the difference we are making. Because people are all surprised when they sit in the car and they say, wow, it feels good. You know, it's the craftsmanship is really good. I didn't expect that from a Chinese brand. you often hear that. And the panel gaps here, you know, are equal to German manufacturers.
Like Volkswagen.
Yeah, that's the good thing on our lineup. We have a very strong lineup in Germany. That makes us different. We can offer in the C segment the SUV and the hatchback, the Dolphin. We offer in the D segment the sports sedan, the Seal, and the SUV, the CLU. And in the E segment, we offer as a limousine the Han and as a SUV the Tang. So we really have for everyone. You know, this is something we are also communicating because it's so important that the traditional features a car has are not relevant anymore.
Yeah, it's totally different.
Yeah. So the future is electric, and for electrification, the battery is unique. We have a unique motor system. Yeah. The 8-in-1. It's a very compact powertrain. An electric car is not equal an electric car. There are huge differences. German consumers are very aware of the metals that are used. Is it rare metals? You know, is it heavy metals that are polluting? And when we can say we don't use any of these hazardous materials. We don't use zinc, mangan. We don't use cobalt. We have a conflict-free battery basically. So this is something people have to learn. They have to understand that we bring a change even to electric mobility. And I'm fascinated by technology. We are developing the battery, our own motors, our software. We produce our own chips. So the whole electric powertrain is basically in our hand. And this is also, it means you can implement change very quickly.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't have to wait for suppliers to move with you. You give the pace, and we have a very fast pace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are familiar with the Chinese market. How do you know this brand?
I don't know it too well.
Yeah.
That's why I'm here.
Yeah.
We need a new family SUV, so this is interesting. Price is of course attractive because it compares well with any SUV of the same size, even the Korean ones, the German ones.
Yes.
I'll take a photograph of the spec
Yes.
and I'll study it when I go home. Thanks a lot. Cheers.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.